Hello, Manuel. I know what you've been up to for the past 20 years, wasting your life away in front of a computer screen. I see greatness in your future. What if I told you I could give you a fortune read that would change your life forever? Come see me tonight, 5678 Red Rover Lane. Don't be late. I've been waiting for you. Come, sit down. Ah, Manuel, I see spreadsheets. So many spreadsheets. And meetings that could have been emails. Your soul clearly must ache for something new.
Yeah, well, I switched my sandwich order last week. That was something new.
My dear Manuel, what if I told you that you could have a bigger change, a more significant shift than, say, picking between turkey and ham? What if I told you Mars?
Mars? Like the planet?
Yes, it's the ultimate adventure. It's an escape for those who dare to explore. Think about it, Manuel. Mars has been the focus of human curiosity for centuries. Galileo first observed it in 1610. Then in 1965, NASA's Mariner 4 gave us the first ever flyby images. And in 1976, the Viking landers made history as the first successful Mars landers. We said perseverance, curiosity, spirit, opportunity, all battling the odds like you. Some missions failed, some succeeded, but every step forward changed our understanding of Mars forever. Just like you, Manuel. Maybe you've been stuck, failing to find joy, but now's your chance to change your story.
All right. That does sound interesting.
And while you're there, don't forget to document your journey. Selfie with perseverance, anyone? It's not every day you get to stand where no human ever has before. Imagine taking .5s with a rover. I'd argue that's way cooler than your office's sad holiday party group photo.
I'd be the first of my coworkers with Mars on the feed.
Exactly, and with a day that lasts 24.7 hours, you'll finally have the time for yourself. No overtime, no late night emails, just you, an entire planet, and the thrill of discovery. With the year that's 687 Earth days long, who's to say how long your adventure could last?
So you're telling me, instead of wasting away in my office, I could be taking selfies with robots and living like an explorer?
And all with more personal space than your cramped office cubicle. So, are you ready to swap your desk job for the adventure of a lifetime? I'm gonna tell you this. I'm willing to give you a 1-day free trial on Mars. Just give me your credit card info right here. Before your adventure, you'll want to get ready by packing a few things. First up, you'll need your space suit. This is to store your snacks and survive the vacuum of space. Second off, you'll need your extreme weather cloak. It's Antarctica at night and Sahara by day. Good luck! Thirdly, you'll need your anti-floating boots. Low gravity means one big jump could send you flying. Then make sure you have your Martian dust goggles, unless you enjoy eating red sand. And make sure to bring an alien translator, because you never know. And last but not least, don't forget to bring your cosmic SPF 5000, because the sun hits different on Mars. Now that you're all packed and ready, I'm going to hand you over to my virtual Mars travel assistant. Just put this invisible headset on, and he will be guiding you through your trip and show you all the cool things you have yet to encounter on your day. Now, are you ready to embark on the adventure that will change your fate forever?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Mars, Manuel. I will be your travel assistant for today. The red planet has been waiting for you. With a surface area of 55.74 million square miles and a mass of 6.24 times 10 to the 23rd kilograms, Mars is about half the size and a tenth less massive than the planet you called home. Here, with a third of the gravity you're used to, you'll feel a delightful bounce in your step and finally discover the whimsy that your life desperately needs.
Well, that means I've got less area to cover, but way more to discover.
And you would be exactly right. Now let's check out some of our famous landmarks here on Mars. How about ziplining in the largest cannon in the solar system? You'll cover the distance from New York to Los Angeles on a single ride. This cannon, called Valles Marineris, would take 10 of your Grand Canyons to fill up, by the way.
If only all my morning commutes were like this.
And they will be if you subscribe to our Mars plan forever. Now, I know your days in the office have made your leg muscles deteriorate, which is why hiking Olympus Mons is perfect for you. This shield volcano is 3 times as high as Mount Everest, but with an average slope of 5%. Your gravity boost will take you to the top with almost no effort. Now, it is getting a little bit chilly in here. According to weather reports from our good friends Curiosity and Perseverance, the surface temperature is negative 65 degrees Celsius today. Good thing we have some icy activities in store. You could wage a snowball fight against the Martians at the North Pole where we have snow. Mars isn't known as a planet of chaos for no reason. After all, it is named after the Roman god of war, whom the Romans revered for his savagery and led to remarkable feats of the Roman arms. Don't worry, despite the nature of this planet, its inhabitants are friendly. You may find yourself making lifelong friends here on Mars. And what better way to finish the day off than to watch a blue sunset together?
You know, back on Earth, where I'm from, we don't see these blue sunsets very often.
Excellent observation. The same principle that makes Earth's atmosphere appear blue during the day and orangey during evenings makes the sunsets here look blue. The high concentration of larger-sized CO2 molecules in the air scatter different wavelengths of visible light than on Earth. Your Earth has mostly nitrogen and oxygen, but on Mars, we have 95% CO2. There are only small concentrations of nitrogen, argon, oxygen, and carbon monoxide. Now back to our scheduled program.
Today was such an adventure. I gotta subscribe to this Mars plan forever. And you should too!
Fly me to the
Mars.
and let me play among the stars. Let me see what spring is like on
Mars.
Mars. And